Alright, thank you very much. Now let me just pull up your account here first. Just give me a few seconds, okay?
Okay. My Xbox is black.
Your Xbox is black. And when did you purchase this one? Your Xbox console?
I don't know. My daddy got it for me for free.
Alright, it's awesome. Your daddy loves you very much, huh?
Yeah, he does.
Alright.
My arm fell asleep.
Pardon?
My arm fell asleep.
What do you mean, sir?
My arm fell asleep.
Alright, so it seems that your console is not yet registered, so what I'm going to do here is to just register it under your name. Alright?
Yay!
Okay, so just give me a few seconds, sir.
Yay, okay.
Alright, can you please provide me the zip code again?
What? 9 0. Wait, wait. 9021. No. It's 90210.
And how about your the complete address?
What?
Can you please provide me your complete address?
I already told you. It's 52 Cauliflower Lane. Did you get it?
Main, right?
Cauliflower Lane.
Lane.
It's in Beverly Hills. I was trying to play Guitar Hero on my Xbox, and it wasn't working for me's. For me. Well, it wasn't working for me. It wasn't working for me. Have you played the Xbox 360 yet?
Yes, sir. I do play once in a while.
What games do you play?
Well, right now I'm playing. I always play the Connect games.
Oh. Okay. Do you play Call of Duty?
I did play Call of Duty once, but I wasn't able to finish it.
Hey, what?
I did play Call of Duty, but just once. I wasn't able to finish the whole game.
You swore. You swore at me. That's not nice. You weren't able to play the... You should have said stuff. Not that other word. That word's bad. Now I'm gonna tell my daddy on you.
Word, sir?
You said a bad word. You're gonna tell my daddy on you.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You said I wasn't able to play this stuff, only with a different word.
No, I said I wasn't able to play Call of Duty. I did play Call of Duty once.
No, but I'm saying what you said before. I was not able to play this. I'm not allowed to say that word that you said before, so I can't say it. Okay?
No, sir, I didn't say that.
Yes. I'm gonna tell my daddy on you. And you're gonna be in big trouble. What's your name?
Alright, sorry, going back to the issue here. So your console is the first generation console.
Yes.
Right, so currently we're not supporting these consoles anymore.
No. Why?
Yeah.
Um, I haven't.
Console.
Wait, so with my other old Xbox, I can light it on fire and throw it in the woods? No, I can't.
Which one, sir?
My old one. I'm allowed to do that now
Is it
because it's
still,
not worth anything.
Can you still use it? I mean, with the other games, are you still using it?
I don't. I was trying to play Halo on it, and
Yeah.
Guitar Hero, and I
I don't know if you can play Halo on that particular console.
I have Halo 1 for it.
Is it only
And
the
Halo 2.
I mean, is there any other games that your console?
I can play Call of Duty Black Ops on it.
You're playing Call of Duty Black Ops on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
What?
And how is the game, sir?
What?
How's the game?
It's good. It's fun. I'm about to prestige. I'm about to prestige.
Alright, so Studer, I won't be able to assist you further with this one.
Why not? But my
Since
game's
we're
broken.
Not really, we are not supporting this console anymore, and besides, even if your console should be repaired, we are not repairing consoles like this anymore.
So I can light it on
But
fire.
what I can suggest here is to just since you said it yourself that your daddy loves you very much. You can just ask him to purchase you.
Because then my daddy's gonna get you in trouble for saying bad words.
What?
You're saying bad words to me.
I'm not.
Yes, you
No,
did.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm not saying bad
Yes.
words. And what
Yes.
particular word is that?
I can't. I'm not allowed to
What I
say
said.
it. I'm not allowed to say it because it's a bad word.
What? I didn't say any bad word.
Yes, you did.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so.
No.
Alright, so I have
yes.
to end this call.
No, wait. But are
Okay.
we gonna have a play date later?
What?
Are we gonna have a play date later?
No, sir.
We can't play in the park.
No,
Can't swing
No,
on the
sir,
swings.
can't do that.
But
Still have work.
you used to love to do that.
What?
You used to love to do that with me, Daddy.
Alright. Okay.
Daddy, I'm telling on you for saying a bad word to me. Daddy, when are you gonna get home?
Alright, sir. I'll
Daddy.
have to end
Daddy,
this call.
Daddy,
Thank you for
Daddy,
calling
no.
Xbox
Daddy, when are you gonna get
support.
home?
My
I'm
name
starving.
is
You
Dan.
haven't been home for 3
Bye-bye.
days. You haven't been home for 3 days. Daddy?